video we'll see how actual Angular project get loaded in the browser. So first we'll move towards package.json file. I want to show you npm start command here. Here you can able to see start inside script. Start is there, so it is nothing but npm start. Whenever we run npm start command on our terminal, ng-save command will get automatically executed. So it is beneficial whenever we want to modify our command as per proxy settings and all. So for that, this is beneficial. Now moving towards dependency. Inside dependency you can able to see Angular compiler, core, forms, routers are present. As we click yes while creating new application, that it asks for you want Angular routing or not, we click yes, hence this dependency get added. So just by importing them we can able to use routing, core, forms and all those things. If you want to add any another dependency like bootstrap, so you need to install it and you need to mention the name inside the dependency. But Angular by default do this for you. Means if you install bootstrap by command, then it will automatically fetch the dependency name and it will write it inside the dependencies. Now we'll move towards browser. We'll inspect the browser and we'll see how Angular application get loaded. Whenever Angular application get loaded, it loads the index.html file. You can able to see inside source here index.html file is getting loaded. Inside index.html file there is app root mentioned. This is nothing but the selector of app component. We'll move towards app component.ts. You can able to see your app root selector is there. So from this it will refer app component. Actually app component is the main component which contains total Angular project. So whatever we are writing inside our project, we write it inside the app component only, as it is a main component. Now coming towards the entry point, while executing in Angular, main.ts file execute first, hence it is called as a main.ts is a entry point for the Angular. Inside this you can able to see we are bootstrapping the app module, so it is redirecting it to the app module and it is checking in the app module.ts whether app component is what is present inside bootstrap array. So inside bootstrap array app component is present, so it will redirect it to the app component. So it will come to the app component, it will come to the ts and it will see okay, app root selector is there. So where this app root selector got used, and it is got used inside the index.html, hence it will load the app component in the browser. Means how the flow is there, main.ts, app module.ts, app component.ts, then again index.html via selector. So entry point for the Angular is main.ts while executing. Now next point is here we can able to see environments are there. Environment prod.ts, environment.ts. Inside environment.ts production flag is false, and for environment prod.ts production flag is true. Why these two different files are there, and what actually we write inside the environment file? Actually inside environment.ts we write our API URLs whichever we want to hit to fetch the data from backend or anything. So these are the API URLs. So for local it will be different and for production it will be different. So whenever while deploying we make one build of Angular project. So while building our project, if we we build with false flag like that, you can able to see here ng build -- prod, then it will take environment prod.ts file. Then here you can able to see style.scss is there, so you can write global styles here and you can import it in any style sheet, in any component. So it is for global style sheet. Then assets folder is there. Inside assets you can keep your images, your constant, whatever icons are there, you can keep it inside the assets, and you can give that path whichever wherever you want to use them. Start. This is how Angular project got loaded. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.